So to recap on what happened on the past episode, while looking for the Baal bone gap, we bumped into a colliery, and luckily there is a colliery staff who told us where to go.
There'll be 2 bog holes the car will get through. Yeah. The third one you can't. That's one I got bogged in the other day. I was by myself. Yeah, I'll show you. No patrol would get through the third one.
Alright. With Barry's experience and expertise, we managed to cross on the 3rd bog hole.
We are going to descend from here, and we head over to the creek. So we don't have water. We're out of water. It's too hot today. We use a lot of water.
And then this happened.
Woo! Spencer, good fall.
Luckily, Barry only endured a minor bruise.
Alright, so we're descending down following this gully system. So through there, I'm going to flat ground down the very bottom, and we're gonna go close to the creek because we need some water. So very steep down. Ano yaw, lagkalit pa eh. Itoy.
We found a creek and it's dry. The second creek that we bump into is with some bodies of water, so we decide to camp in this area.
After a long day of hiking, we ended up camping just beside a dry little gully or creek. So we are gonna continue tomorrow. Most likely be heading back to the car.
Hello ladies and gentlemen, we're here in the middle of nowhere with my friend Barry. Now,
time for the cooking show.
In his cooking show.
Cooking show in the bush.
Bush cooking show. Oil in a syringe.
Bang. Bang.
With a bang.
Order is 5 meals.
The order is 5 meals.
And we need 5 meals.
5 meals, alright.
Oil.
Oil. Check it, I'll check it. What the expiry date? Okay.
It's not expired. That's alright. We only need 5 meals.
Yeah.
Oh.
Gaya na.
Okay. 5 meals in.
5 meals.
The matching ingredients that's supposed to be, it's supposed to be the spices, but I don't know what's happened there, but I know I'll cook it anyway.
What the fuck? Smells good.
Yeah.
Woo!
Leftover rice.
Leftover rice. Wow, the real Asian. The real Asian. Don't put new cooked rice.
New cooked rice?
No, no.
Leftover.
Or Uncle Roger will get angry.
Yeah.
So we're scorch. Ayun, duk-dukaw na buhay niya.
Buhay niyan ba?
Kaya to. What do you have?
Oh, what's this?
Salami.
Lami.
Salami stick.
Is it lami?
Salami.
Lami?
Like in a real Asian wok.
Yeah.
Woo-hoo-hoo.
Uncle Roger doesn't like it. Uncle Roger.
Uncle Roger, look at this. You'll invade this one.
Wow.
Chuck it in.
All done.
Woo!
And I'll just mix it. like it makes it, they're all stuck down the bottom. It's how you cook out in the bush.
Woo! Look at that! Care of Barry!
So it's the next day in the morning. Sun is shining very bright. We've starting to pack up. Got our water from there and over there as well. Filtering with soya. Ray, where are we going from here?
So we're gonna cross that big mountain, and so we're gonna cross that big mountain, and then there will be another big mountain, and then there will be another big mountain, and then another big mountain.
Endless mountains.
Endless mountain. And then hopefully we can get to where we're gonna go.
Alright, so just leaving the campsite.
Woo.
Steep uphill. Saka gamay pataas siyang. There's Pantonys Crown. Right, we get a clearer view of both Baal and Pantonys Crown. So we came from that plateau yesterday all the way to there, back down, and we camped down there. There's Pantonys Crown.
Height, bantay height yan.
Okay sila?
Pareha na sila.
So it's been half an hour since we started walking from the campsite, and we can now see the other cliff opposite to the Baal point. It's over there. So the target is to get through down there and get to the fire trail, and that's our way back to Papa. So after this steep climb and steep downhill, we're finally here at the Crown Creek Trail, going back to the Baal Gap. Estimated time to get there is probably an hour or an hour and a half. We only got 3 k's to go. Whoa, this fire trail is so steep and it's very hot. Just waiting for the other 2, but look at the view, it's beautiful. Woo! We're finally at the gates. Oh, the sun's back out, patay. Home stretch. Woo! All right, here we are. Oh my god. Oh, this is so good. Oh yeah. Whew. We're back. We're back at the Baal. We're back at the Baal Bone Gap picnic area. Alright. Finally made it back to the Baal Bone picnic area.
Gala.
Iya naana kami ari sa
Ano na kami nakabalik after sa pila ka adlaw nga pag pila tagaog ngadto sa Kawanangan. Grabe. Dagko kay mga dayami. Ang pangananaon kay di mi makagi. Muna gitawag og a normal hiking in Australia, Bear Grylls in America.